#Findability Solves. Meet John. John is the CEO of a $300 million company. By the way, do you know that globally there are about 60,000 companies that have more than $200 million in revenues? John is looking for digital transformation in his 20-years-old company. It frustrates him at work as he keeps hearing buzzwords like big data, machine learning, and natural language processing, but doesn't know where to use these technologies and which department should undertake the digital transformation journey. John read about Findability Sciences, an award-winning enterprise AI company that drives digital transformation in traditional enterprises by making them data superpowers. John got in touch with Findability Sciences, and in a short amount of time, he received a detailed plan on how AI can create financial, capability, and strategic ROI for his business. To start with a sample use case, he immediately directed his sales planning team to begin using Findability.ai, a low-code, self-learning, multi-modeling technology to forecast sales in various regions 12 months ahead. Wow! John's sales department is getting more than 95% accuracy in their forecasts. Now they can plan their sales channel, supply chain, and production very effectively by reducing costs by 15%. And they did this without developing any code and minimal use of human resources. John also asked his CIO, Nancy, to use Findability Sciences CUP framework and set up a data science lab using the Findability.dsl framework. Soon, Nancy and her team are on their way to building unique intellectual property by collaboratively working with the Findability.dsl team. This intellectual property is going to create a competitive advantage for John's company. John's board appreciated his initiative of Data Science Lab and liked the effort of collaborating with external AI experts in creating AI capability, which they couldn't do it in-house. Nancy also partnered with Findability.labs, where she started collaborating with expert professionals in taking care of her data-related activities and third-party tools like IBM and Snowflake. Meet Elisa, who works for John and heads the product division. In the management meetings, she heard about Findability Sciences and came across their latest offering of Findability.inside. She got an idea of powering her product with a unique natural language feature. Elisa worked with the Findability.inside team and integrated chatbot and voicebot capability in their best-selling product without reinventing the wheel herself. Elisa's this bold decision created a new revenue stream for John's sales team and increased sales by 30%. Look, John's company just featured in a leading industry publication as one of the leading data superpowers. By partnering with Findability Sciences, John drove digital transformation successfully. John's shareholders and customers are pleased with this transformation of their favorite company. To learn more about Findability Solves and how your company can become a data superpower, like John's company, visit Findability.ai.